Okay, video na nila, ipakuan. Oh, Felix, tinawagan. Bego, thank you. Okay, we have now our Pro Open. So, tingnan natin. Okay, Lagrada takes the lead, followed by John Adlawan, and we have Four Sister on third, Clark Valesa. Ayan si Abigail. Ayan, ano nangyari kay Clinton? Nahuli si Clinton. Anyway, we still have more laps to go for this Pro Open. Nanguna ang taga Davao. Dati Joven Lagada, nag-inside, nag-outside. Ayan, kuha na. Nag-second position na si Clark ng Four Sister Racing Team. Clark Gualesa ng Four Sister Racing Team takes the second position. Nanguna pa rin from Davao, Joven Lagrada. Third, Aligats Racing. Okay, JA31 Aligats Racing. That is John Adlawan on third. Okay, John Adlawan back to second position. Okay, this is Pro Open class. Okay, we still have more laps to wait for this, no? Ilang laps pa? 2 laps pa? Ay, nako, tagal. Okay, after this, we'll have a short break, short lunch break. Thank you everyone. Maraming salamat. Don't go away. We still have more race to come for the final hit. Oh, love it! Okay, ano nangyari kay Clark? Clark Walesa na on fourth. Ang apat si Clark Walesa ng Four Sister Racing. Pasok si Jovinil. Okay, after this, we'll have a short break. Time muna tayo, guys. Okay, 15 minutes lang. Okay, hinabol pa rin. Walang pinag-iba. Ganon pa rin. Nanguna pa rin ang taga Davao City. Joven Lagrada, followed by John Adlawan riding for Team JA31 Aligats Racing. And we have Binil, followed by Clark Walesa of Four Sister Racing. Humanali, maniunto ta ha. Okay, tagal pa guys, tagal pa. Okay, don't go away. We still have more race to come after 15 minutes lunch break. Double time ngayon si John Adlawan. Ayan na. Ayan na, palapit na. John Adlawan, habulan kay Lagrada. Oh, ayan na, John Adlawan now. It's John Adlawan now. Okay, John Adlawan now got the lead. He is our new race leader. Team JA31 Aligots Racing. John Adlawan, followed by Lagrada, followed by Bilil, and we have Clark Walesa. Ayan! Ayan! Jovinil na naman! Okay, Jovinil na Villar. Ayan. Bakbakan. Grabing bakbakan. Okay, Jovinil takes the lead. Followed by Clark, John Adlawan and Clark on the inside. Ay! Ayan! Okay, it's Clark. Back to Clark on second. Oh, love it! Clark Walesa on second. Ayan, habulan kay Jovinil Villar. Love it! John Adlawan on third. And fourth, balik kay Lagrada. Okay, thank you everyone and hoy, huwag niyo kalimutan ang Little Cafe, no? Sarap cold and hot drinks. Wow, napakasarap po ng kape, no? Little Cafe, now serving a hot and cold coffee. No? Sarap. Puntahan niyo lang ang Little Cafe. Wow! This is it, pusit. Ganon pa rin, bakbakan yung dalawa natin. Ha? Nanguna pa rin ang ating... Picho. Okay, Picho. Picho Nadella. Okay. Lalamba. Medical team. Okay, Picho na nila, ipakuan. Medics. Anyway, we have a medical team. Meron tayong medical team. Okay, nanguna na. Okay, John Adlawan with Clark Walesa. Medical team, nana to medical team, kapadulong na to medical team. Don't worry, nana niya to medical team. Okay, Pidio Nadella is down. So, anyway, ilang lap na lang hintayin natin. Red flag? Sinong red flag? Red flag. Sinong red flag natin?